Hi, in this video, I am going to explain how to determine the regulation of a three-phase alternator by conducting an open and short circuit test. This is the circuit diagram to conduct an open circuit and short circuit test on a three-phase alternator. This is the three-phase alternator which is connected in star. This is the field winding of the alternator. Here, 300 ohm rheostat is used as a potential divider in order to excite the field of alternator. Field current can be measured by using the field ammeter. As the field current of field winding increases, its field strength increases up to saturation point. In order to develop the voltage in the alternator, a rotating magnetic field is needed. Magnetic fields can be produced by the excitation. Rotating magnetic field can be produced by rotating the excited field winding. This rotating motion can be developed by the prime mover. Here we are using DC motor as prime mover. Two rheostats are used to control the speed of DC motor. If this isolator is in off state, then the alternator is in open circuited condition. Open circuit phase voltage can be measured by using the voltmeter. If this alternator is in on state, the alternator is in short circuited condition. Short circuit current can be measured by using the ammeter. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram using banana cables. These two rheostats are used to control the speed of the DC motor, which is prime mover. This rheostat is used as a potential divider, which is used to excite the field of alternator. The terminals of the DC motor and the terminals of AC generator can be shown clearly. Alternator field voltage, alternator open circuit voltage, alternator field current and alternator short circuit currents are measured by the respected meters. Gradually increase the field current of the alternator using potential divider and note down the corresponding meter reading in each step. Continue the same up to 110% of rated phase voltage, which is nearly equal to the 263.5 volt of the alternator. Throughout the experiment, maintain the speed of the prime mover at rated speed, which is 1500 rpm. Relation between the field current and open circuit voltage can be shown by plotting the open circuit characteristics between them. Because of saturation of the magnetic field, the curve bends at higher value of field current. The tangent line represents the air gap line. To conduct the short circuit test, gradually increase the field current of the alternator using potential divider until rated current, which is 2.08 ampere, flows in the alternator, and note down the readings of excitation current and load current. Throughout the experiment, maintain the speed of the prime mover at rated speed of the alternator, which is equal to the 1500 rpm. Relation between the field current and short circuit current can be observed by plotting the short circuit characteristics between them. The regulation can be determined by calculating the synchronous impedance from open circuit and short circuit test using EMF method or MMF method. These methods will give estimated regulation of the machine. Let us start the practical experiment. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Left side two rheostats are to control the speed of the DC motor, which acts as prime mover. Right side rheostat is to excite the field of the alternator. Here you can observe the connections of the two machines, DC motor as prime mover, alternator also called as AC generator. Left side 220 volt isolator gives the power supply to the DC motor, right side excites the field of the alternator. All the meters are in zero position Now the setup is ready for conducting the experiment. Let us start the experiment. Turn on the 220 volt DC isolator. The prime mover DC motor starts running. Let us check at what speed the motor runs. Gradually the speed is increasing. You can observe the variation in the speed. You can observe the current drawn by the motor. The motor speed nearly 1386 rpm at a load current of 1.48 ampere. But the speed of the prime mover is to be maintained at rated speed of the alternator. Rated speed is 1500 rpm. By using the rheostats of the DC motor, adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. Still the speed is 1460 rpm. Make it 1500 rpm by adjusting the rheostats. Yes, the speed is fixed at 1500 rpm. Left side isolator is in off position, means there is no excitation to the field winding of the alternator. Field current is at 0 value. Neglect the offset value. Field voltage and open circuit voltage are almost 0. Neglect the offset values. Before exciting, make sure the potential divider is in minimum position. Turn on 220 volt DC isolator. Slowly increase the field current by adjusting the potential divider. At the field current of 0.18 ampere and at 1500 rpm of prime mover, the open circuit voltage is 76 volts, corresponding field voltage is 12 volts. Again, by adjusting the potential divider, increase the field current. But the speed is slightly reduced to 1490 rpm. By adjusting the rheostats, set the speed to 1500 rpm. Now the speed is 1500 rpm. At field current of 0.28 ampere, the open circuit voltage is 175 volts. Again increase the field current. Speed is reduced to 1486 rpm. Adjust the speed to 1500 rpm by adjusting the rheostats. At a field current of 0.33 ampere, 1500 rpm, the open circuit voltage is 229 volt. Increase the field current till 1.1 times the rated phase voltage at alternator terminals. Maintain the speed at 1500 rpm. At field current of 0.37 ampere, speed of 1500 rpm, open circuit voltage is 263 volts, which is 1.1 times the rated phase voltage of the alternator. Observe the readings of the meters. In this way, we can conduct the open circuit test on a 3-phase alternator. Keep the potential divider in minimum position and keep the rheostats of DC motor in initial position. Let us start the short circuit test. Using the rheostat, adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. Yes, the speed is 1500 rpm. Close the 415 volt isolator to short circuit the armature alternator terminals. Initially, the field current is kept at 0 value. The field current is kept at 0 value. By varying the potential divider, set the field current to 0.1 ampere. Maintain the speed at 1500 rpm. Corresponding short circuit current is 0.31 ampere. Here the alternator short circuit voltage is 0 volt. The meter is showing offset value of 1 volt. Neglect the error and consider it as 0. Increase the field current by adjusting the potential divider. Field current is fixed at 0.26 ampere. There is a slight drop in the speed. Adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. Yes, the speed is 1500 rpm. Corresponding load current is 0.75 ampere. Increase the field current to 0.5 ampere. Speed is reduced to 1450 rpm. Adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. Short circuit current is 1.43 ampere. Increase the field current to 0.73 ampere. Adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. Yes, the speed is 1500 rpm. The short circuit current is 2.04 ampere, which is nearly equal to the rated current of the alternator. Rated current of the alternator is 2.08 ampere. In this way, a short circuit test is to be done. By doing the mathematical calculation, regulation can be determined. Thank you.